So the equation that we're going to solve today was from some notes. We have 2x plus 4 equals 16. So when solving equations, the goal of solving equations is to isolate the variable. So this is a number with the variable. So I like to draw a line down the middle to show that the equations is balanced on both sides. So if I want to isolate the variable, I have to get rid of the positive 4. So the opposite of a positive 4 is a negative 4. And whatever I do to one side of the equation, I'm going to do to the other side. And so this creates a zero pair. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I'm going to draw a line underneath my equation. So on the right side, I have 16 minus 4. So 16 minus 4 is going to give me 12. And then on the left side of my equation, I have 2x left. And then I'm going to bring down my equal sign. So that's the first step. So then now we're going to do the second step. So that's why it's called a two-step equation. So now, again, if the goal is to isolate the variable, now I want to get x by itself, I have to get rid of that too. And so when I have a number next to a variable, that represents multiplication. And so I have to ask myself, what's the opposite of multiplication? And the opposite of multiplication is division. And how I represent division, I represent that with a fraction bar. Alrighty, so again, I'm going to ask myself, what's the opposite of multiplication, which is division, and I can represent division with a fraction bar. And so in order to get the x by itself, I'm going to divide both sides by 2. I'm going to cancel that out because 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 1 times x will leave me with x. And then I'm going to draw my equal sign. And so 12 divided by 2, I can set up my division problem. Or if I know my multiplication, 12 divided by 2 will give me 6. I hope this video helps. So x equals 6.